How often should spark plugs be changed? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, first of all, most manufacturers are going to recommend spark plug replacements about every 100,000 miles. Now, I'll tell you what, if you change the spark plugs, you will not notice any difference in engine performance or anything. But over time, as spark plugs wear, it takes more voltage to fire them. That additional voltage puts stress on some of the electronics, like the ignition coils. Most of the studies I've seen say that after about 60,000 miles, that voltage requirement starts to go up and putting stress on everything. So at Mercie J, we suggest anytime you're over about 60,000 miles on your spark plugs, it's a good idea as maintenance to replace them. If you're having an engine performance problem, spark plugs rarely fix it. So we're just recommending it as a maintenance to actually protect other parts of the car. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.